Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you wish to play with your other Facebook friends in the game, simply click on the Invite Friends tab to take you to this Facebook dialog box. This dialog box will allow you to invite Facebook friends to install FarmVille 2.
Take our lead.
Open your mobile browser, go to www.facebook.com and log out from there. Repeat for all browsers on the device. Make sure that you are logged out of your Facebook app. Go back to your game and reconnect to Facebook.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.